10 different SaaS products that do at least $50,000 a month in recurring revenue. For each of these products, we'll take a look at what they do, who they were founded by, and how they generate revenue. Whether you're looking for your first SaaS idea or you're already starting to scale, wherever you are in your journey, I think you'll really enjoy this video. I think you'll really like number 7, so make sure you stay until the end here. So let's dive right into our first SaaS product. It's called Social Intents. It does a self-reported $65,000 a month in recurring revenue, and it was founded by James. The goal of this SaaS product is to help businesses sell more and provide great support with live chat for Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Chat, Zoom, and WebEx. And it makes talking with your customers super easy, letting you use the collaboration tools you already use as a business. They also have the ability to build ChatGPT-powered bots trained on your website data and hand off chats to human agents, which is going to help you scale your customer service. So overall, quite a few different integrations. And they have over 75,000 customers. And overall, it makes it super easy to provide incredible support using the tools you already use. In terms of how this SaaS generates revenue, it's going to be on a monthly recurring basis, with plans going from $49 to $265. So they're really targeting small to large businesses here, and they're going to do so with a 14-day free trial. So definitely a super cool SaaS product. And if we take a look at their marketing copy and their features, my guess is a strong selling point in the idea behind this live chat widget is to really ensure it syncs seamlessly with your existing tools so you don't have to log on to a different platform. And they've really taken the existing tools that businesses use, and it's a seamless integration there. The second SaaS we're taking a look at is called Publer. It was founded by Irvin Calday, and it's your social media superhero. They do a self-reported $140,000 a month in recurring revenue and let you schedule, collaborate, and analyze all your social media posts from the same spot. It's trusted by over 320,000 plus social media managers, marketing agencies, and global brands, so it's quite a large SaaS product. So they're definitely in a very competitive SaaS space in the social media scheduling, but it seems they've really carved themselves out a profitable segment. And they really cover all your feature needs, from visualizing all your posts to having the link in bio feature. You can organize a ton of accounts. You can track everything with analytics. In terms of pricing and how they generate revenue, they went for more of a freemium model, so you can start building your momentum with social media. And it looks like the idea there is to lock you in. So once you start using it during that free plan, as you start to scale your social media efforts, you'll move up to the professional and then the business plan that's going to give you more features and more social accounts. This SaaS had a really cool post in their year in review, and you can really see in just an overview of how much they're pushing new features. They pushed over 20 major updates, such as TikTok direct posting and two-factor authentication. So they're constantly working on improving this product. And that's so great about SaaS, is you don't need to buy a new version. As long as you're on the same plan, you can continue to get new features. Next, we have Tally, which does a self-reported $70,000 a month in revenue. And it was founded by 2 co-founders, Marie and Philip. Tally is going to let you create forms in just seconds that you can easily share and embed on any website. You can do so without knowing how to code, and the vast majority of their features are completely free as well. They're powering over 120,000 plus teams, and with Tally they took a different route. They really use the free plan as a way to advertise the product, as all the free users have made with Tally, and because you can get unlimited forms and submissions for free, whereas many other form platforms charge for more submissions and more forms, this enabled more people to use the product, and everyone that used the product and shared their form had made with Tally at the bottom. If you look at really successful strategies like the Powered by HTML in the early 2000s, this is similar to those lines, as you're getting free exposure by giving your users a really great free product. This isn't necessarily going to work in every industry, but in a crowded space such as form and submissions, this was a great one to get distribution. So although 99% of their features are free, there is a premium plan that's $29 a month, and you're going to get things such as no branding, custom domains, collaboration, and no commissions. So they really figured out what those premium features that people were willing to pay for without hurting their free product, and they added those in there. Our next SaaS example is called Browserless, and it's headless browser automation for developers. It's doing a self-reported $120,000 a month, and was founded by Joel Griffith. Running a headless browser is fraught with frustration and downtime. Browserless solves this issue by providing a rich set of developer tools, hosting, and reliability. And it's going to do so without those hosting headaches for even the most complex scraping, testing, and automation tasks. They've grown quite a bit since launching, and they have over 15,000 active users and 9,000 GitHub stars, and they're really looking to increase their number of enterprise customers and that's going to really help scale the revenue. Something really cool I think they did is they made it really easy to integrate with your existing scripts, and it's just going to quickly change that connection. So if you're using Puppeteer, or if you're using Playwright or REST APIs with a curl request, you can integrate those all seamlessly using Browserless. As if you already have something set up and it's mostly working, it's going to take more effort to change. So if you can decrease any of that friction along the way, just like Browserless has done, it's going to make it easier for people to switch over to your product. In terms of Browserless's pricing, they're not going to focus on the small scale companies that are using browser automation. They're going to focus on at least $200 a month. Most people is their popular option for $500 a month. And if you want to go custom, you get a dedicated private cloud or licensed self-hosting deployments. So definitely on that B2B end there. And you probably wouldn't be paying $200 a month if you were just doing some regular web scraping for yourself. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to go and build your own SaaS product. I have free SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email below. Also have a course on how to build your very own micro SaaS. Even if you don't have any SaaS experience or any product ideas, there's a link for this in the description below as well. Our next SaaS was founded by Vineet. It's called Teleport Me Virtual Tours, and it does a self-reported $50,000 a month in revenue. They have a #1 rating on G2.com, and it's built for real estate photographers, agencies, and digital twin businesses. Gives you quite a few features in a powerful editor from 3D dollhouses, floor plans, Google Street View, and more. You can see they have quite a few accolades here, especially on G2 and Capterra. In terms of how they generate revenue, it's going to be similar to most SaaS products. It's a recurring monthly basis. And they are in the B2B space though, as they're advertising to real estate agents as an example. And they're going from $25 to $99 a month. Next, we have Calday, which is an online appointments scheduling app. It's doing a self-reported $100,000 a month. And it was developed with the goal of streamlining and simplifying the process of scheduling appointments. As in today's fast-paced world, managing appointments can often be time-consuming and a complex task. So they managed to compete in a very competitive space for calendaring appointments. And they have tons of integrations from Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook, and so on. In terms of how they generate revenue, they went for a freemium plan. So they have $0 a month. That's probably just to get small businesses in. And then for growing businesses, it's going to be $12 a month there. Our next SaaS product is doing a self-reported $115,000 a month. It was founded by Joseph and it's called Stealth GPT. And it was built to create undetectable AI content. And it's the ultimate AI bypasser and humanizer. So you can go and humanize your AI written essays, papers, and content with the only AI rephraser that beats Turnitin. And I believe Turnitin is the plagiarism checking software they use at many schools. And the reason it was built was that ever since ChatGPT went viral in late 2022, there was a massive effort to detect AI generated content. And Stealth GPT is the first project to create undetectable AI content and beginning in early 2023. And according to their copy here, they consistently score well above their competitors in undetectability. And in terms of how they're going to generate revenue, it's on a monthly basis. You can also have an annual plan, and there's also a business plan. It's going to depend on the amount of words you're generating on a monthly basis. But the essential is 15, exclusive is 29, and their business goes up to $99 a month. Next, we have quite a large product called Paypro Global, doing a self-reported $100,000 a month. But they have over 200 plus employees and was founded by Hannah and Martha. So it's a global payment solution, and it's going to handle everything from global payments to sales and VAT. And they're also going to have 24/7 customer support. So quite a few different awards here from G2 Crowd. So overall, quite a big B2B product. You can always really tell it's B2B too because they don't have their pricing listed publicly. And you do have to get a quote from someone, which definitely makes sense because they're probably ranging quite a bit when it comes to their customers. So they want to tailor a custom plan for them. But it's definitely an end-to-end solution here as they also have reporting analytics, invoicing, lead management, and compliance and risk management. So if you're selling software and SaaS online, they're a full e-commerce partner that combines all the tools you need to drive business growth both globally and locally. Next, we have Valentina Studio Pro. It was founded by Lynn Fredericks, and it began as a front-end to ultra-fast object relational database, Valentina, but it's now for all major DBs, adding reports, diagrams, and more. So you can do quite a few things, create, administering, querying, and exploring quite a few different databases. And so they're going to have a completely free version, and it looks like a one-time charge as you move up in their different versions. They sell these on a unit basis, so if you're buying over 150, it's it's going to be $358 per unit. And actually, if I take a closer look, they are renewable license here. So your license versions last about 12 months. Lastly, we have Facia.ai. It's doing a self-reported $50K a month, and it exists to revolutionize identity verification by providing advanced facial recognition technology. So they want to enhance security and make it user-friendly for authentication. So you can verify anyone from anywhere in under 1 second. Looks like pretty low latency there and under 1 second response time. And it's compatible with SDKs for iOS and Android. So it's going to have 100% protection against deepfakes and protect against 56 plus types of injection attacks. So definitely a cool product here, and they have features to detect around things such as deepfakes. If you take a look at the sample, we can see someone's face has been changed to a deepfake, and it was able to detect that. This looks more like a B2B product, as they're going to integrate with SDKs for iOS and Android. So if you wanted facial recognition in that, you could integrate something like this. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to go and build your own SaaS product. I have free SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email below. Also have a course on how to build your very own micro SaaS. Even if you don't have any SaaS experience or any product ideas, there's a link for this in the description below as well. So this is going to conclude the video here. We went over 10 different SaaS examples that did at least $50,000 a month in revenue. If you enjoyed this content, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. I'm really trying to grow my channel here, and I'm coming out with new SaaS content just like this all the time, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out the channel for more videos just like this.